Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Getting Rich. You know what we do, we're trying to get rich, and look, I was out here these past few weeks just searching for a way to make money online, and then I don't know if you guys have seen it too, but this guy, Iman Gadji, that's how he says his name is, he started this 3-part video. Part 1, part 2, part 3 on how to make money online. Now, he put this all in a type of recap. Get rich now. The fast
Everything we
track.
discussed. However, you're not going to be paying the total of $4,500. 13.
Yeah, this guy. Yeah, so all he did was like tell us how to make money. Alright, in his way, he's got the expertise for it. He's got an agency, apparently. And in the end, he tells us to get to the agency for, I don't know, how much was it? Let's accept it. Yeah. $1,000. $1,000 is a lot, bro. Like, honestly, I wouldn't invest $1,000 from it. I'd rather do this for free. Everyone wants to do things for free, so yeah, it's a bit hard. Anyway, he says it's from $3,000 to $1,000, and no, I'm not gonna pay $1,000. Too much. So, yeah, he told us how to get rich, start your agency, and start to find clients. And every client you get they'll have to pay you like $500 or something. Well, it worked for him, obviously. So I did the same thing. Well, all I did was reaching out to brands online. Some were for clothing, some were for, we got a lot of clothing, bro. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, I send out a lot of emails. Okay, this is the template I got from him. Well, I put my name, Zakaria. Hey, I'm Zakaria. How are you doing? I stumbled across your Instagram page while searching for clothing and noticed your account. Looks very nice. So I was taking a look at your brand, but wasn't able to find any active ads running for your store. Not sure if that's something you're currently working on, or just haven't had the time yet. I'm sure that some ads will help you increase your sales. I took a look at what a few other brands in the space are doing, and I found 2 ads that are working very well for them. They're ranking higher in search too. Now if you think that could work for you, I got a few angles in mind that you'd be able to quickly record and put to test within a few days. Are you up for jumping on a call so I can walk you through them? So that's what I did. Emailed them Saturday, 16th of July. A lot of people, lots of brands. A lot. And when I say a lot, it's a lot. I was just, what's this? Clothing still. I did some for jewelry too. I don't know where they are. Jewelry, like clothing and jewelry were like my main. Since Friday, I put out a lot of emails. I think I'm going to still do things, but I got some responses too. My business is temporarily closed. That's why there are no ads. Let's see. I got like 3 responses or something. Some other person said like, bruh, what am I doing? Like, I'll just text these guys. Yeah, everything is in Dutch, by the way, because located in the Netherlands. Alright, so what I just what I'm going to send to this guy is, hey, I'm Zakaria, how are you doing? I've seen that you have a lot of emails coming in and that you guys are very busy. I would like to help you out with the customer service part of your company. Now, I'm sure that you guys are doing a fantastic job and that your response time is over 72. But your response time is over 72 hours. It's still a bit too long for the average customer to get an answer. You know these customers. You know how these customers are. I hope you get to me as soon as possible. Kind regards, Zakaria. Great. Now that was it. Yeah. I'm sure I could get a client or two from these. You know, mailing so many people, see what they need, and you know, tactically saying what you offer, and then just go to Upwork. If you really want to, like, do the same thing, I'd just say, like, I'll get a link in the description for you. It's Get Rich Now, the fast track, and that's it. Anyways, this is what I've been doing. If something's going to come up, I'll notice you guys as soon as possible. But yeah, I'm just going to struggle still, sending out a ton of emails, growing my agency, and that's it. And you guys will be here to see it.